Hello and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. I am here today to show you a beautiful class made using the refill kit or half of the refill kit from the Boho Indigo kit set. Now the reason I'm going for the refill kit only is at the time of filming we can't locally meet together, so this is all being done by post, so I'm not using the stamps, but of course if you are able to meet then you could use the stamps. Equally, you could change this up and use it with other designer paper, so it doesn't have to be Boho Indigo, although it does look fabulous with this. So what does this class include? Well, this is the first of the projects and these are designed to be giftable. Here is the one, I just love this. This is made with the brushed foil, and apologies for the shine, but that's because it's designed to fit into one of our cello bags. So you can give this as a beautiful finished gift. It contains 5 cards and envelopes. There's a regular size card and envelopes, and even this on its own I think makes a fantastic class. Here are some examples of the cards, and we are using some foil, and we're also using items from that Boho Indigo refill kit. So what I've done here is to also include another gift, a second gift. So this is a box here. If I just show you, it opens out. So we have 2 layers on the box. Let me show you the lid of the box as well, so you can see it all. It's really, again, looks really luxurious with the gold. We have ribbon that goes around the outside. So on the top layer, you have a section, see if I can hold that up better for you to see. There we go. On the top layer, we have a section to hold either postage stamps or these are the tags that come out of that refill kit. So what we can do is we can stamp different greetings on there, leave the cards without greetings, and then put a couple of dimensionals on the back so that anyone, when they're ready to send the cards, can just decide what whether they want it to be a happy birthday or a thinking of you or whatever. So that was kind of my design idea. And in the top we have space for 5 note cards and envelopes. These are so luxurious with foil and the beautiful items from the kit that make these gorgeous, luxurious designs. So we have 5 note cards there, and in the bottom it is the right size to hold a further 5 cards and envelopes. So altogether this class has instructions for 15 cards and the 2 boxes. So you will get a video each for the boxes. Let me just pop this. So ribbon goes around to just hold that in place, and that's how it looks when it's closed up. I wanted to show you opened, but yeah, you can see that all wrapped up with your ribbon. That would make a beautiful gift. So let's run down what is included in the class for you. Obviously we have videos, so we have videos for the boxes, both of the boxes. We have videos for the cards, and also all the measurements. So measurements for the boxes and cards, including cutting lists for the designer paper. That is all done in inches, but it is worked out for A4 size cards as well as US letter size cards, so you have both. There is an ordering list per customer, which, as I say, is primarily that refill kit, but we've also got some foil, some ribbon, optionally, some various other things. So you can pick and choose, but also there's everything that you need so you don't forget anything when you're ordering. I've also got some notes on pricing, although as I say, this could absolutely be split into 2 separate classes if you wish. I've got reference photographs for everything. I've got some written notes and instructions as well, so you can teach this even if your customer does not have internet access. And basically, hopefully everything you need to produce this class really quickly and easily without any of the working out. The cost of the class to you is £10, which is round about $13 depending on what PayPal's doing today, and you will get this class returned to you in your email box. You will see a button to order right below. If you're watching on YouTube, you'll need to go to the link that's below that takes you to Ready Set Demo, where this class and others are available. So thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo today. I hope you enjoy the class.